Hello lads and welcome to the second episode of Winter Night. And आज का topic, well, it's about a game which we have been waiting for years and अब जब इसके launch में सिर्फ कुछ ही महीने बाकी हैं, I thought क्यों ना इसके ऊपर एक वीडियो बनाया जाए where we talk about how much we know about GTA 6 so far. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Nothing makes a game more interesting than its settings and locations. जैसे कि हम जानते हैं in the previous game GTA 5 जहाँ पे हमें एक बहुत बड़ा and lively environment explore करने को मिला था. Following that, Rockstar का दूसरा गेम RDR2 जहाँ पे हमने उससे भी ज्यादा interactive elements and discoveries को experience किया था. Plus one of the voice artists of Red Dead Redemption 2 जिन्होंने आर्थर मॉर्गन को वॉइस दिया है, उन्होंने ये भी कहा है कि I remember when all the Rockstar studios were working on one game and it is happening again in GTA 6. And taking that as a note, we already know RDR2 में हमें कितना ज्यादा कंटेंट देखने को मिला था. So a game more enhanced and refined than RDR2 is definitely not disappointing us. As we all know, GTA 6 is set to be in Vice City, aka Miami, जहाँ पे हमें Aisha Speed का ancestral property भी देखने को मिल सकता है. I am not kidding. I guess the guy is very lucky.
I'm in the game! Oh my god! I'm in the game! Oh my god, I just realized that. Our great grandpa and your grandpa was the one that founded the company, Watkins Auto Parts. Yeah.
The leak suggests that GTA 6 will have far more interactive buildings, malls, beaches and many more. In fact, जैसे जैसे हम story progress करेंगे, we will notice the changes happening to the overall city. अब वो changes क्या हो सकते हैं, ये तो खेल कर ही पता चलेगा. If we talk more about the map, then compared to GTA 5, it will be much bigger than that. And बात करें हम dynamic environment के बारे में, then there will be a daylight cycle and we will get to see weather systems consisting hurricanes, fog, heavy rain and many more. So we can say that this time along with the character, the environment is going to have a massive evolution. This time they have brought a criminal couple, Jason and Lucia. शायद Rockstar को पता था that gamers need a guide to maintain a relationship because this time instead of switching characters for fun, switching characters might affect emotionally and narratively. Think of it as your decisions affecting both of their lives. बाकी अगर हम बात करें decisions and choices की, well, let's say we have more freedom than the previous games. Not a full-on RPG system though, क्योंकि एक franchise ने try किया था and let's say it was not a very good idea. So we will have the choice to choose, but it will still be very grounded. Moving on to the gameplay and mechanics. अब GTA 5 में it was just spray and pray. Just get a machine gun, गोलियों की बारिश कर दो and you are free. Well, that is not happening in GTA 6 because कब तक तुम अपने rocket launcher को अपने ही rocket के पास रखोगे? It needs a change. So taking the features from RDR2 where तुम अपने सारे weapons को अपने घोड़े के wallet में store करते थे. Similarly, you will now store it in your vehicle trunk. Yes, अब gunplay करने से पहले you need to select कौन से weapons तुम अपने साथ रखना है based on the situation. And as we all know, Rockstar हमेशा अपने characters को एक unique ability देता है. So we will have that feature again. Based on the rumors, Jason, the male protagonist having an ex-military background, is said to have the abilities to slow down time and identify weak spots, much like Arthur Morgan and Michael. And following that, Lucia, the female protagonist, who might have a Street Fighter background, will probably having the abilities of Trevor, that is, enhanced strength and resistance, and maybe social manipulation because she's a woman. हाँ? एक सेकंड, ये तो स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं था. I just felt like saying that. And yeah, बात करें हम social interactive elements की, then we are having the mechanics of RDR2 again, जहाँ पे हमें greet and antagonize दोनों ही option देखने को मिल सकता है. Now let's talk about the final boss of Rockstar Games, the Wanted system. And after researching, मुझे बताने में बहुत खुशी हो रही है क्योंकि we are getting the 6-star Wanted level back. Sounds dangerous, right? But don't worry, क्योंकि पुलिस को भी crime के बारे में तभी पता चलेगा जब उन्हें कोई बताएगा. Yes, Rockstar Games have decided to bring the witness feature from RDR2. And if the crime does get reported, then इस बार पुलिस तुम्हारे मुंह के सामने spawn नहीं हो सकते. They will be arriving directly from the police station or officers chasing from nearby areas. And if we talk about running from them, then सिर्फ गाड़ी लेके भागना won't be enough. क्योंकि जब वो तुम्हारा पीछा छोड़ देंगे they will still be searching for you on that particular area, which means तुम्हें शायद कपड़े गाड़ियाँ बदलना पड़ सकता है or maybe stay indoors till the area cools down. So in the conclusion, I would say that GTA 6 Wanted system isn't about stars anymore. It's about who saw you, who reported you, and what you left behind. Loud crime gets chased, smart crime gets away. So this is what we know about GTA 6 so far and the fact that it's releasing on 19 November.
Hopefully, क्योंकि कुछ दिन पहले इनकी बिल्डिंग में आग लग गई थी and I don't know what the hell is going on because most people are very mad at them for dealing the game so much. At this point, I think the game is very cursed, but I guess it's okay to let them take their time. You know, at least हमारे साथ वो Cyberpunk वाला situation नहीं होना चाहिए because we were very excited for Cyberpunk and it, well, didn't give us a masterpiece but gave us a bunch of bugs in our PCs. But never mind. I guess it's okay. Anyways, अगर तुम्हें वीडियो पसंद आया then leave a like and share करो अपने दोस्तों के साथ. And if you want to watch me play GTA 6 then consider subscribing the channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.